Okay, today replacing a door gasket in a Rational SCC. Grab yourself a tool, whatever you need to get this thing out of here. Get that old, skanky, corroded gasket out of there. Hopefully it comes out in one piece. Grab your new one. Look at that. Oh, pop it in that way. And this is the most important part. Get yourself some soap, put it around the edges. Don't be shy. Clean that gunk out. Clean all that grease that's been building up over the years out of that channel. Clean it up nice and good. Alright, and then you're going to start with one corner. Get that other corner in there. Basically just repeat that for all four of them and then kind of try to space it correctly like so. Just have to finesse a little bit, but there it is. Pretty easy.